Is the world of real estate standing on the edge of a precipice? Are we on the brink of a storm that threatens to shake the foundations of property markets? Well, my friends, before delving into the serious trouble ahead for real estate, there's an important thing that American entrepreneur and television personality Barbara Corcoran wants to pinpoint.
To be here.
Well, whose side do you come down on?
Oh, definitely. There's no relationship between the commercial and the residential. And the residential is starting to rebound, I agree, but the commercial is in trouble, yeah.
Okay.
Just to lay down the definitions of these real estates, residential real estate is the realm of housing where people find their humble abodes and settle down. It encompasses properties such as houses, apartments, condos, and townhouses, where individuals and families create their personal havens. On the other hand, commercial real estate is a whole different ballgame. It's the realm of business, where money talks and profits are the name of the game. Commercial real estate includes properties like office buildings, retail spaces, industrial complexes, and warehouses. It's about finding the perfect location for companies, entrepreneurs, and retailers to set up shop and engage in the relentless pursuit of financial success. Commercial real estate revolves around leases, contracts, negotiations, and the constant hustle of economic activity. Now, why does Barbara Corcoran say that real estate, specifically commercial real estate, is in trouble? Listen, folks, as we try to delve into that.
What? Let me buy it, pennies on the dollar, and I'll just hold it until this thing ends.
Yeah, it's great to say pennies on the dollar, but no one has the confidence to buy it now. No one really believes it's going to turn the corner. You know, people are staying home. Our best office buildings in Midtown Manhattan are 50% occupied, and in most major cities or even secondary cities, we have a 20% vacancy rate. No one wants to take that chance. You know who's going to take it in the gut are the banks, the regional banks, the small banks who have financed it. And a lot of the different funds have come out now, and they're late on their mortgage payments to their lenders, and that's not a good sign. I don't see that turning around.
Oh, in the video I showed you, Barbara has expressed concerns about the potential pitfall facing the commercial real estate sector. Corcoran emphasizes the hesitancy among businesses to fill office spaces, which she sees as an indication of a lack of confidence and a reluctance to take risks in the current economic climate. This hesitancy to commit to commercial spaces is a significant concern. Office spaces serve as critical hubs for businesses, providing a physical location for collaboration, productivity, and client interaction. When businesses are reluctant to occupy office spaces, it not only affects property owners, but also has broader implications for the economy. It reflects a cautious approach by businesses, potentially driven by uncertainties surrounding market conditions, economic stability, and the long-term viability of traditional office setups. The implications of this hesitancy are particularly notable for regional and small banks that have provided financing for these commercial properties. These banks play a crucial role in supporting the real estate sector by providing loans and capital for property development and acquisition. However, the decline in occupancy rates and the resulting decrease in rental income can have severe consequences for these banks. The anticipated decline in rental income stems from the high vacancy rates in commercial properties. As mentioned by Corcoran, office buildings in Manhattan are currently only 50% occupied, indicating a significant underutilization of available space. Additionally, secondary cities across the country are experiencing a 20% vacancy rate, further highlighting the widespread nature of the issue. The decline in rental income affects the cash flow of commercial property owners, making it challenging for them to service their debt obligations. This, in turn, increases the risk exposure for regional and small banks that have financed these properties. With reduced rental income, property owners may struggle to meet their mortgage payments, potentially leading to defaults and loan delinquencies. This poses a considerable risk to the financial institutions that hold these loans, as they may face significant financial setbacks and potential losses. The ripple effects of these challenges can extend beyond the real estate industry and impact the broader economy. As regional and small banks face financial difficulties, their ability to provide credit and support economic growth may be hindered. Reduced lending capacity can impede the flow of capital to businesses, stifling investment, expansion, and job creation. This, in turn, can have a negative impact on consumer spending and overall economic vitality. It is important to note that Barbara Corcoran's concerns are not isolated, as similar observations have been made by other industry experts and economists. The COVID-19 pandemic has significantly disrupted the business landscape, forcing companies to adopt remote work arrangements and reassess their office space needs. The accelerated shift towards remote work and the growing preference for flexible work environments have contributed to the hesitancy among businesses to commit to long-term office leases. Furthermore, Barbara Corcoran points out that many individuals are struggling to make timely mortgage payments to their lenders. This situation implies a broader economic struggle, potentially stemming from a combination of factors such as job losses, financial instability, and reduced business activity. These late payments signal a strain on borrowers' financial capabilities and may further exacerbate the challenges faced by lenders in the commercial real estate sector. Based on her assessment, Corcoran predicts that the commercial real estate industry could face a turbulent period ahead, characterized by significant difficulties and potential losses. Describing the situation as a bloodbath, she suggests that the sector may experience substantial setbacks before any signs of improvement emerge. Despite the challenges highlighted by Barbara Corcoran, business mogul Elon Musk firmly believes that the sector is far from facing a catastrophic scenario. In fact, he sees commercial real estate as resilient and adaptable, with potential for growth and innovation. Musk argues that the high vacancy rates in secondary cities should be viewed as an opportunity rather than a cause for concern. These cities often offer lower costs of living and favorable business environments, making them attractive for entrepreneurs and emerging companies. As more businesses and talent gravitate towards these areas, it can stimulate economic growth and lead to a rejuvenation of commercial real estate in those regions. Regarding the late mortgage payments, Musk maintains that this is a reflection of temporary economic turbulence rather than a systemic issue within the commercial real estate sector. With government support and a rebounding economy, borrowers will regain their financial stability, alleviating the strain on lenders and facilitating a more positive outlook for the industry. In contrast to Barbara Corcoran's grim characterization of the future, Musk remains optimistic about the potential for a strong recovery. He emphasizes the importance of embracing innovation and adaptive strategies within the commercial real estate sector. This could involve repurposing existing spaces to meet evolving market demands, such as transforming traditional office buildings into mixed-use developments or co-working hubs that foster collaboration and community. But amidst all the debate circulating commercial real estate, one thing that Barbara Corcoran emphasized and wants people to adapt is this.
You feel really helped you build your business and has you buying businesses now or investing in them?
I had ambition, which I still have. It hasn't waned at all, and I'm extremely competitive. And when I invest in many different businesses and many lines of work, I find that's the commonality between all the winners and the losers. They just know how to compete.
Barbara Corcoran's acknowledgement of the significance of ambition and competitiveness serves as a reminder that success is not solely determined by external factors, but is deeply influenced by one's internal drive and mindset. By cultivating ambition, embracing competition, and honing the associated traits and behaviors, individuals can position themselves for growth, accomplishment, and a greater likelihood of achieving their goals. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Soon channel. I'll see you in the next video.